Switch your treatment center on at the power switch at the start of the working day. Then press the main switch on the dentist element. Your treatment center is now ready for operation. Reattach the items that were cleaned the previous evening to your treatment center. The auto purge program will commence automatically if the instrument and suction hoses were left in the designated adapters in the water unit during the previous evening. The instrument hoses are now flushed for the set time and the suction hoses are cleaned. Microorganisms can grow in the water lines to the treatment center. Flush the water lines by operating the cuspidor flushing program for at least 1 minute. At the end of the flushing program, you should remove the instrument and suction hoses from the adapters and return them to their original positions. Prepare your treatment center for the day ahead and configure the dentist and assistant elements with the instruments required for the next treatment.